copying and pasting files. I'm going to copy a folder from my documents on the left hand side to a new folder called backup on my external drive on the right hand side. So first of all, I want to make sure that I've got the ribbon displayed on both windows. So on the left hand side, I'm going to double click on the Home tab so that the ribbon is displayed all of the time. On the right hand side, I click first on the window to make it active and then click the New Folder button. And then type the name of my folder and press Enter. Double click on the folder to open it. Notice that the name of the folder is in the address bar at the top. On the left hand side, click the window to make it active. Select the folder that you want and then click Copy on the ribbon. Make the right hand window active and then click the paste icon. And that's how you copy and paste.